Are you using LinkedIn's default banner or you don't have a banner at all? If so, you're missing out on a big opportunity to promote your brand, your expertise. Your LinkedIn banner or your cover image is your digital real estate, your billboard. It's dynamic and it can really showcase your expertise, your business, your personal brand, a project that you're working on, etc. So today I am going to be talking about LinkedIn banners and why you need them, how you can create one, etc. My name is nynacaputi. I'm a LinkedIn coach and trainer and also the founder and CEO of the Expat Woman. And I share tips on this YouTube channel on how you can leverage LinkedIn to build your expertise, share your voice, get new connections, get new jobs or clients, etc. So let's get started. So I know my banner might be a little bit confusing because you see this rotating banner. So this is something new that LinkedIn introduced recently for folks who have premium LinkedIn membership. So I have this. It's not necessary for you to have it. If you have premium, then you can definitely test it out because if you have more than one business, you have a side hustle, you have several things you want to promote, you can do it. It's a little too quick for me, but I still wanted to tap into it. Let's see if I can stop. I don't think I can stop the scroll, but anyway, so how do you add a LinkedIn banner? So if you click on this little pen you see at the top, it will say replace with cover image. You can also see it saying edit slideshow with premium. I did create another video, which is actually my most popular video on YouTube about LinkedIn's banner slideshow. So I'll link to that in the description. But say you just have the free LinkedIn account, or even if you have premium, but you just want a single banner. So you want to change it or you want to replace it or you want to add one. So click on that, and so you can upload your own. So upload a single photo, or LinkedIn gives you all these options. So maybe right now you need to create one but you don't have the time. So for a little bit you could use one of these options. Now I usually discourage my LinkedIn coaching clients and students from using one of LinkedIn's banners, and at least now they've gotten prettier. In the past they were, I think, like created on clip art or something. So maybe if you have your own business, you could use maybe this banner out here with, the chair with the desk, or you're an artist, a graphic designer, maybe you could use one of these. But it's very easy to do. You just click on click on one of these, the little circles next to it, and then you save it. I do not want to create a new banner. I don't want to replace my premium banner, so I'm going to leave it for right now. I'm also going to try and show you something, what LinkedIn looks like when you don't have a banner. So let me see if I can pull up some folks. Okay, for instance, this is Mansi, and Mansi, I hope you don't mind me using you as an example, but maybe you'll get some more connections through this video. But Mansi has used the LinkedIn default banner. So before LinkedIn was using all the AI to create those beautiful cover images or banners, they had these, like, it looks almost like clip art, and you could use one of them to showcase your banner cover image. Divya does not have a banner, and I hope, Divya, if you're watching this, you will create your banner so you can see when you don't have a banner, this is what it looks like. And a banner is one of the first things that people see when they come to your profile. And I just think we are on LinkedIn because we want to build a network, we want to get new opportunities, we want to promote ourselves. So why not tap into this free real estate? So Ileana is one of my students, one of my coaching clients, and she works at Google Cloud Startups as Director of Customer Engineering. If you go to her cover image, she has an image of her on a panel, which actually I hosted an event for the Expat Woman, my other business. So she's showcasing herself as a speaker, as a panelist, as an expert. So that's totally fine. Let me find another coaching student of mine, Malena, to show you her banner. So Malena created this banner. She's a graphic designer, so you can see It showcases her brand colors. It shows her sitting at her laptop working on a design. It's simple, it's clean, it's beautiful. It really builds and spotlights what she wants to be known for. So make sure you create a banner. You can create it on Canva. So I won't be able to show you here, but if you go to Canvas, and I'll share the link in the description, and you type in LinkedIn banner, Canva will give you examples of banners you can create. And I will also, in the future, I don't have it ready now, so you might have to come back to the description. If you're watching it in May 2025, I will add a link maybe in the next couple of weeks to some banner examples, and maybe also a link to the Canva LinkedIn banner, so you can then get some inspiration on creating your own banner. So very important, you have the banner. A few more tips about the banner, and let's go back to my profile. So a few more tips about the banner. You want to make sure that you view it on your mobile and laptop, because you don't want anything important hidden behind your photograph, your profile photograph on the left. You want to make sure there's not too much text. And I know my banners are a little too busy. I mean, this one's okay, but some of them have a lot of content on them. So you can simplify it. You can change them. Say you have a launch coming up. You just wrote a book. You just completed a big project. You're hiring. You can change your banner to reflect that. So it's very dynamic. You can add links, not clickable links, but like a call to action, like click in my profile to learn more, or call me. Some people add a phone number, some people add their website, some people include an email address on their banner. So you can do anything and everything on your banner. You can update it regularly, but it really is very powerful. And in this day and age of visual displays where people want to see something besides reading text, your banner is such a great way to do that. You want to complete your profile, you want to optimize it. I will also share a link to my LinkedIn profile checklist in the description, so you can download that so you can work on other things besides your banner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye.